In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Gmail account. To begin, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com. If you already see an account signed in, sign out first so you can view the setup screen from scratch. This ensures you are starting a brand new profile rather than adding on to an existing one. On the Sign In page, click Create Account. You'll be asked to choose the purpose: personal, child, or business. Most people will pick personal for everyday email. Choose child if you are setting up an account managed with parental supervision. Business is for work, related use, and administrative controls. Select the option that best fits your needs and continue. Next, enter your first and last name. Then click Next. You will be prompted to add your birth date and gender. Google requests this information to tailor your experience and confirm age requirements. Take a moment to enter accurate details, then click Next to move on. Now you'll choose an email address. You can pick one of the suggested addresses or select the option to use your existing email instead. If you choose a new Gmail address, aim for something simple and professional. If your first choice isn't available, try small variations like adding numbers that are meaningful to you but not sensitive. Once you are happy with your selection, click Next. Create a strong, secure password and confirm it. A good guideline is at least 12 characters with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information or reusing a password from another site. Type it again to confirm, then continue. When prompted, add recovery information. This is optional but highly recommended. A recovery phone number or email can save you a lot of trouble if you forget your password or get locked out. Use contact details you can reliably access and double-check for typos. Google may ask you to verify a phone number to prove you are not a robot. If you see this step, choose how you want to receive a verification code. Enter the number, and then type in the code you receive. This quick check helps keep your account secure. Finally, review Google's privacy and terms. It's worth scanning through the key points so you know how your data is handled and what you are agreeing to. When you are comfortable, accept the terms to finish creating your account. That's it. Thanks for watching.